Hi everyone, my name is Jordan and welcome to Jordan Talks Deals. In today's video I will be focusing on why I use TopCashback when I do any kind of shopping online and why you should be using it too. Before I jump into today's video, I would like to request that you hit that like button if you find any of this video helpful. If you're feeling extra generous, please consider subscribing too, as it will help the channel grow and you'll be one of the first notified when a new video is released. I'm going to start by explaining what TopCashback is. TopCashback is a cashback website that allows you to receive money back, or cashback, when you shop through them. You may be wondering why they would do this. The easiest way I can explain this is that TopCashback is paid a commission by the seller for referring you to the website to make the purchase, and in return, TopCashback shares some of that money back to you. It's always worth having a quick check on TopCashback before you buy anything online. The pounds soon add up over the course of a year, and you could easily get hundreds of pounds back in cashback every single year. Some of the best and consistent cashback products that I use on a yearly basis include insurance, including home insurance, car insurance, and phone insurance, home broadband deals, smartphone contract deals or SIM-only deals, and even VPN deals. By using these kind of yearly deals using TopCashback, you can easily clear over £200 or perhaps over £300 of cashback, and that's before you start to use TopCashback for buying everyday things. TopCashback currently boasts over 15 million customers, and as impressive as that is, it means there is over 40 million adults in the UK that still do not have a TopCashback account, meaning there is literally billions of pounds in cashback not being given out every single year. If you haven't got an account yet, I will leave a sign up link in the description below. It's free to sign up with, you really have nothing to lose, except you could potentially be losing out on hundreds of pounds every single year of cashback without actually knowing about it. TopCashback has over 5,000 merchants that they will give you cashback on, so always remember to have a quick look at it whenever you're making a purchase online, especially if it's a big one. I hope this video has helped highlight the importance of using a cashback site and why I would recommend TopCashback as the cashback site to use. If this video has been helpful, please hit that like button. If you're feeling extra generous, I would really appreciate it if you would consider subscribing to the channel. It will help the channel grow and you'll be one of the first people notified when a new video is released. Cheers, all the best.